Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into changes that you're going to be seeing on the channel and things that you should expect from the channel and things that I'm going to be doing, and then just some things that I kind of need you to bear with me while these changes happen. So for the year 2021, you guys might have noticed this whole rig sitting here. This thing has been fantastic. Not only has it helped me improve on my online videos, such as my Amazon deals, my Lowe's, Menards, all of those tool deal videos that I do on websites, but it has also helped me hugely in editing and creating videos. It's way faster. I can do multiple videos on this in the time that I could do one on my old computer. So this thing has been fantastic. So if you guys want to see a video on this, any information on it, please just let me know. I know it's not really tool related, but I'm sure some people are interested. So just let me know your guys' thoughts. Other than that, some more changes. We're going to be knocking out a lot more tool reviews, so more tool reviews to come, not just tool deals online, but I have just alone on my workspace right now 4 items that I need to do videos on for you guys as far as tool reviews. And then besides that, we're going to be doing a lot of Camaro videos. So I'm ordering a lot of stuff. It's coming from 3 different companies. So let me know your guys' thoughts. I can either do an unboxing of all of them when they come in. I can break it down to companies. So like I ordered some stuff from Summit, which is more like, you know, fluids and accessory parts that I need for the Camaro and backup parts and stuff like that. And then I'm getting some stuff from 2 other Camaro websites. I can break it down to those 3 companies, do like what I got from Summit, what I got from this website, what I got from that website. But some of the items are pretty big and pretty in-depth. Like let's just say coilovers. That's not something I'm gonna briefly touch on. You know, that's something I'm going to want to discuss. And then we're also going to be doing a install video of all these parts. So I'll have an unboxing of these like 3 companies, or however you guys would prefer to see it. If you want to see 3 separate videos of just kind of the parts that I ordered and then install videos, or do you want to see like individual videos of some of these larger items before install and then do the install video? I just don't want to do like a discussion of the parts like the coilovers and the install video together, because then it's going to be extremely long, and I want to keep them I don't want them to be too lengthy. So I want to make sure it's a good length, not too much information in one video. So please just let me know your guys' thoughts on that. So just stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of videos on this Camaro and things changing with it, not just the rear end and suspension components, but the color, the hood thing. The intake's going to be changing a little bit to kind of make it work, because right now it is a little too tall for a hood. And yes, I'm getting a cowl hood, the Sunoco hood, but it's extremely wide. Like the intake comes all the way over to here, so it's extremely wide. So no cowl hood or anything is wide enough to do that. So I gotta put some S-bends in the piping to bring it down lower and still be able to run it like that. So it's going to be some tweaking, a lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned for that. And I really hope you guys enjoy. I know there's a lot of people on here that still are waiting for Camaro videos, so you're going to have over a year's worth of content as far as Camaro stuff. And then last up, hopefully this is turning out all right. Please bear with me through this. This is a brand new camera, brand new microphone. It's extremely short for some reason. It's a lav mic. I have a couple shotgun mics I'm going to be using, but right now I'm just using the lav mic, but it's got like a 2-foot wire on it, so I can't sit down and talk to you guys. So I have a new camera. It's the GoPro Hero 8. I have the a bunch of accessories for it, the screen, the light, the mic case, I mean a lot of stuff. But the primary reason I picked this up was not only to improve my tool review videos and stuff, but it's going to help out a lot with the Camaro video. There have been plenty of times in the past where I've tried to create a video and show you what I'm doing. Obviously you don't need to always see a ratchet turning. It doesn't take a genius to figure that out. but there's certain things where I'm trying to work and show you what you need to do, how to install a part, and it's hard to set up a camera, hold a flashlight, and work at the same time. This GoPro is going to be way more user-friendly as far as working underneath the car, especially when we're installing the new rear end, new rear suspension, the coilovers, drive shaft. I mean, there's a lot of stuff coming. So this is going to create better camera angles, and with the built-in light, it's going to blind myself with it. It's going to help record underneath the vehicle in tight situations, and then I also have some mounts for, you know, like suction cup mounts and stuff, so we'll be able to do on-the-road driving with it. Just way better than sticking my phone around, and yeah, so hopefully it's better content, but please bear with me as I try to adjust to the camera and figure out the audio stuff. I got to get an extension for this thing, and then we'll be testing out this new Rode shotgun mic and all of that. I'll use that when I'm underneath the car, so I don't have to have a lav mic on. I don't want to really deal with the wireless stuff. So the shotgun mic and this lav mic are going to be my go-to, so hopefully the audio improves over time. Just like I said, bear with me as I try to adjust, you know, handling this camera, dealing with the framing and everything. Sometimes I'll have it to a wider screen, and sometimes I'll be a little bit more zoomed in like this. So anytime I'm just talking to you guys, maybe doing tool reviews, we're going to be using the lav mic. Anytime I'm underneath the car and I want to be more hands-free, we'll be using the shotgun mic. But please, once again, just give me some time to adjust to all of that. But we're going to be getting rid of this old drum brake 10-bolt setup and going with something a lot stronger. Probably overkill for what I need or what I have in this thing. But the great thing about all of this is I'm basically making this vehicle bulletproof for anything that I do to it in the future. So if I ever end up at 600, 700 horse, I'm not gonna have to go through and change a bunch of things. The car's already built to handle the power, and so basically it'll just be doing changes to the engine after that, because the car itself will be set up perfectly for whatever I want to do for it. So once again, this is just kind of an update on what's coming for the channel. A lot more Amazon and tool online videos, a lot more tool reviews. If there's any suggestions as far as online videos, brands that you want to see, websites that you want to see, deals that you may be looking for, if there's any tool reviews that you want to see a review on, please drop it down in the comments. And then stay tuned for a lot of Camaro videos. I hope you guys don't mind. I know a lot of you guys are here for tools. There's also a lot of people here for third gens, and the last year or so I've really been slacking on it. Just haven't had the time or the money necessary through COVID to be messing with it. But we're back on the ball now, and we're gonna get things going, and hopefully the content continues to grow better. And I can't thank you guys enough for your support. So once again, bear with me for like the next month as I kind of get adjusted to the new camera and everything. And we're also going to be wrapping the car, not painting it, wrapping it, so I can do changes in the future. And I have a buddy that does wrapping, so he's gonna hook me up. I'll probably make a video of it partially being wrapped. I'm not gonna sit here for the day or two that they're gonna be wrapping it, but you know, I'll introduce him, his business, and then I'll kind of go through some of the process of them wrapping the car and all of that. And then we got to make sure that we protect the car when we're doing the rest of the installation of the suspension and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the real quick update. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I look forward to interacting with you guys in the near future videos. And thank you guys once again. If you guys enjoyed this real quick update, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.